Ever pondered about the methods that data analysts and researchers employ to extract targeted data with speed and efficiency from an ocean of online sources? Well, it's not as mystical as it seems. They employ a method known as web scraping, an indispensable mechanism used for data extraction from websites and documents. Such information acts as a treasure chest for businesses, researchers, and developers, assisting them in analyzing trends, keeping an eye on competitors, or acquiring insights for strategic decisions. Nonetheless, the conventional tools used for web scraping have their fair share of difficulties. They necessitate a solid grasp of programming and web technologies. Not everyone's favorite activity, correct? On top of that, the perpetually transforming structure of websites can render these tools ineffective, instigating a continuous need for updates and maintenance. Envision dedicating endless hours to mastering coding, only to have the guidelines shift beneath your feet. Exasperating, don't think? The conventional tools for web scraping require substantial time, technical skills, and upkeep. But if there existed an improved method, introducing Scapegraph AI, a novel approach in data extraction. This cutting-edge web scraping library is a significant shift, amalgamating large language models, also known as LLMs, to streamline your data extraction process. Imagine this. Rather than struggling with intricate programming and web technologies, you simply articulate the data you require. That's all. Scapegraph AI steps in from that point, crafting dynamic scraping pipelines that undertake the major tasks. However, it's not solely about simplicity. Efficiency is equally important. Handles the intricacies of retrieving and organizing data from websites, documents, and XML files. Say goodbye to wasted hours on upkeep and updates due to changes in website structures. No more getting entangled in the nitty-gritty details of the extraction process. With data extraction becomes less about navigating through technical complexities and more about scrutinizing the extracted data. But what makes Scapegraph AI an innovative disruptor in the world of data extraction? You might wonder. Let's dissect it. Primarily, Scapegraph AI notably diminishes the time and technical aptitude necessary for web scraping projects. Recall the era when you needed to be a coding prodigy to extract data. Those times are a thing of the past. With Scapegraph AI, users can specify the data they require and leave the rest to this intelligent system. Secondly, Scapegraph AI employs extensive language models to smartly navigate through website content. It comprehends user requests, delves into the internet's vast expanse, and retrieves the requested information with finesse and exactness. In conclusion, it proffers high-precision automation of intricate scraping tasks. Stressing over changes in website layouts or the necessity to regularly maintain and update your scraping tools is history. Scapegraph AI takes on the strenuous part for you, guaranteeing you get precise and trustworthy data when you need it. Scapegraph AI, a tool for the future, enabling efficient data-guided strategies, providing you an edge in a challenging landscape. All right, folks, that's Scapegraph AI. A game changer in the world of data extraction that's sure to revolutionize how we handle information. But hey, don't just take our word for it. We encourage you to delve deeper, explore the myriad possibilities that Scapegraph AI opens up. And as you embark on this journey of discovery, we're here to support, guide, and learn with you. If you found this video informative and are as excited about Scapegraph AI as we are, go ahead and smash that like button. Your likes fuel our motivation to bring more such insightful content your way. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Trust us, you don't want to miss out on the wealth of knowledge we're eager to share. But hey, subscribing is just the first step. To ensure you're always in the loop, hit that bell icon. This way, you'll get notified every time we drop a new video. Remember, in the world of data, staying updated is staying ahead. So hit that bell icon and let's keep learning, growing, and innovating together.